Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Be sure to click that all when you click that notification bell. That way you get all notifications for my uploads. So today is Tuesday and it is Tech Tuesday. So today I'm going to show you how I use Procreate to make my banner for Etsy. And I already have a banner on Etsy. What I'm actually going to do is make my Christmas banner to put that up on my Etsy shop so you guys can see how I go through that. I'm going to use the existing one, mock it up a little bit and make it Christmassy and put that on Etsy as my banner for now through the end of the year. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Alright, so what we're going to do, I already have one here that says Christmas banner. I just made a copy of the other one. So I'm going to make that go a little bit smaller so we can see it. And I created some Christmas stickers. So I'm just actually going to use those same drawings for this. So I'm going to insert a file with the candy cane, Christmas gnome, Christmas tree, snowman, and a Santa hat. So I'm going to bring in the Santa hat. And it's here, and what I want to do is I want to put the Santa hat on my little logo, and I want to make sure that it's going to look how I want it to look because of the angles, because I have her angled. And let me see if she's in there as an entire image. Yes, of course she is. So let me see what I can do about that. Because, you know, we can just play with it. It's Christmas. We can do whatever we want. So now we go back up there and select it. Make it a little bit smaller. Move it. Angle it. Oops. Go back up there. We're going to get the white, and we're going to take out some of her Afro puffs because they can't show with the Santa hat on. Well, they can, but it don't look right. So I'm going to take some of it out. And I might just leave one of them. All right, go back down there to that one, and some more of that off. Go back over to that one, select it, and try to bring it over just a little bit. Then go back down again, go back over there, and draw some more. So now she has her head on. She still has one of her little puffs off to the side, which is fine with me. Now that's changed up a little bit. That's fine as well, how that looks. Now what we're going to do here on this side is, because we have that on there, I don't want that there anymore. We're going to add the snowman or the Christmas gnome or something over there and add it in. So we're going to go here, go add, insert a file. Do I want the Christmas tree or the Christmas gnome? I might bring both of them in. I'll start with the Christmas gnome because it's a red background. I don't know how it's going to look. Maybe go that way. I think that looks good. So since it's red and green, which is my colors, so we'll blow it up and look at it. That looks good. That looks good. I think we might need to I think it's fine. Alright, let's see if we want to add anything else in, like the candy canes for the F. I think that will look cute. So we're going to add, insert a file, bring in the candy canes. They're on the wrong side, so we're going to flip them horizontally and I'll make it a little smaller, and I want to duplicate it as well. And we're going to warp it, so we're going to distort so that we can bring the little corner of it down to fit this little F, so it's kind of shaped the same. Then we're going to take it back to uniform, and then we're just going to make it a little bit smaller so that the green F is kind of like inside of the candy cane. Let's see what that looks like. Not what I envisioned, but okay. Now we're just going to try to do a copy of it. Select, copy, and paste. So now we have two copies. So the one we have here, we're going to select it, and we're just going to move it over and put it with the other F. And so now we have the two candy canes, and I think I'm going to move them on top. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave them on top, and what I'm going to do is go here below it, add one, then take them out, use this same color red, and go over top of the green. That way you only see the candy cane. And then I'm going to go up here one more time. I'm going to select. Then I'm going to select, copy and paste. And I'm going to make another one, which is the third one, which I'm going to make it go across to do the F. So select. Oh, wrong one. That's the one that we need to select. Yep. So now we're going to turn it sideways. We're going to bring it over here. Make it smaller. Then we're going to take the eraser and we're just going to erase the ends of it off. So that it's just, there. So then what we're going to do is we're going to merge all three of these together because I like them how they are. We're going to go back there. We're going to turn them off for a minute. We're going to go back to this level and we're going to cover up some more of this so that it's all covered. Go back up here. We're gonna turn that back on. We didn't turn it back on. Turn it on. Then we're going to select it and we're just gonna make it a tad bit smaller. Excuse me. Tad bit smaller. So now I love how that looks. Y'all like that? I love it. So anything else I want to add? I want to add the Christmas tree. So maybe I add the bunch of Christmas trees down across the bottom and then that probably will be it. Or maybe the Christmas tree in the center. The snowman. Just can't have too much Christmas. You just really can't. Do I want that to be a letter, a number, or not a number? I don't know. I just seem like I want my Christmas tree on here, but it just might be doing the most. And insert a file, put the snowman. What y'all think? I think with the Christmas tree being so little, it looks crazy, and the rest of them are big. So let me go up here, select it, make it bigger, and see if I want to put it somewhere else instead of there. Bring it below the name, turn that off. Oh yeah, I think I like the Christmas tree better. Y'all comment below and let me know which one y'all like best, the snowman or the Christmas tree. I'm going to leave the Christmas tree because that's what I like. And hopefully it's not too big and not get cut off when I import it. So I'll bring it down some because it may get cut off. Because it only picks up like right in between here. It doesn't pick up the whole thing, I don't believe. But we're going to see. Hopefully it does. So now we're going to save it and export it. Share as a PNG. And it's the Christmas banner. Save image. We're going to save to files. We're going to add it to the Procreate and save. And that is pretty much it for everything. So now I'm going to just load it into Etsy and you guys should see it there. So alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. That was my little spiel on how to create my banners in Procreate. If you don't have Procreate, just out on your iStore, iTunes, or not iTunes, whatever it is, wherever you buy your apps at on your Mac products. So just go out there and purchase it. I think it's like $9.99. It's the greatest tool ever. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Clicking the like button really helps me out. It lets YouTube know that you guys like the video and they share it with other people. And yeah, alright. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video tomorrow. Bye bye.